Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Jikat and today we're back with another banger video. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be covering a brand new project. You guys already know I love passive income. This is a brand new project that's just over 48 hours old on the Ton network. Okay, this will be giving you a 3.33% daily ROI. As I mentioned, this is an ROI DApp, which is a return of investment decentralized app on the Ton network. If you guys didn't know as well, Ton network is made by Telegram. Yeah, the #1 social media for crypto. Ton coin, as you guys can see, it is actually as well in the top 10 coin market cap list as well, specifically at number 9, doing really well, by the way, in terms of 24-hour volume as well, hitting above 200 million. So you guys already know I follow the money, I take advantage. You gotta adapt, you gotta learn. You know what I mean? I've played around with base chain, played around with Solana, I played around in Ethereum, the land of whales, and now we're giving Ton network a try. Let's see how it goes. I do like this project for a lot of reasons, okay? Because they've set up guardrails that does not allow whales to take advantage of the system. We'll be covering that in a second. They also have a Medium article, so we're going to leave all that in the description. They have their own Twitter as well. Go follow them. Go join their Telegram. This is my Telegram as well. Join both. Be part of the community, ask questions, etc. And also go follow my Twitter as well. Thank you very much. But yeah, we're going to be reading, kind of skimming through the Medium article quickly. How does it work, etc. How you enter. I'm going to show you guys as well the Telegram. It is a Telegram bot, by the way, which really lowers that barrier for entry. It feels really nice. It's such a simple UI as well. It looks really kind of cute, basically, with the hamster in the middle. Something that I didn't know, and I've only found out today actually, which is pretty cool. Okay, off the bat, once you just make a Telegram account and you play the game, basically, you're actually by default you're making 0.1 ton per day without depositing any money, which is crazy. Okay, which that come roughly 0.1 is around 58 cents, I believe, depending on the price. Let's see. Yeah, 58 cents basically. And then yeah, I mean, you can actually accumulate that and make a little something, especially if you have a spare phones on you. You know what I mean? But anyways, obviously the link to this will be in the description for the HamsterBank bot. And yeah, let's give the Medium a read. How does it work? So right after registration, which by the way, all I had to do was click start and of course agree to some terms and disclaimers that it tells you as well. And then you're basically welcomed with this message. And then obviously you have these different buttons, the chat, so the group chat, their announcements, their Gitbook, which I'll leave all the links in the description, of course, and starting the app, which is this one that you can see in front of you. And then right here, you see that every day you earn 0.11 ton. To claim it, just go to the HamsterBank bot, press claim to your homepage, easy peasy. Want more, boost to your bank. Basically, boost means deposit more, and that's kind of what I did, by the way. So I deposited, for example, you can see in the wallet here, I deposited 34. So I'm going to show you guys as well within this video how you can do that. There's also missions, which is pretty cool. You can if you join the Telegram, you'll get 25 NOT. There's a welcome bonus if you make your deposit, invite a friend, follow on Twitter, join the Telegram. You can accumulate those tokens. And what is the NOT balance? By the way, it's a legit token within the Ton network ecosystem. Again, here they're trying to keep it. I think it's made by the actual Telegram developer team. I'm not sure what's the purpose of it, but if you scroll down here, it says the NOT coin is a community driven token aimed at onboarding users into the Web3 ecosystem through a tap to earn game. So pretty cool. I like it how the advertisement is looking at 905 million market cap. You never know. I mean, it looks pretty cool. All-time high was around 2 cents. So yeah, me getting the rewards from this game, I might just hold the NOT balance as well. But yeah, pretty cool stuff. Anyways, going back to that Medium. After that, this passive income can be increased by purchasing boosters, right, which is basically depositing, which provide a daily return of 3.33% of their value. Now, the part where I said this is where what I like about this project is that whales cannot abuse the system, because you'll be earning 3.33% up until 200% return of your investment, which is limited to 2x. So you're forced, if you want to make even more passive income, you have to compound on your way up as well to increase your 200% return. You can't just keep abusing, off the bat, because basically you will be getting your That's 333. So you'll basically get your 100% ROI in 33 days, I believe. Yeah, in 33 days, exactly. So that is pretty powerful for a whale. Obviously, they can come in and abuse that, but they're limited only to a 2x. Anyways, boosters help accelerate profit growth and expand your virtual bank, giving you flexibility in managing your assets. In addition, HamsterBank offers several ways to earn. You can complete tasks within the app and earn not tokens, the one that I just covered, which is basically free money. These coins can be withdrawn to your account, adding another income stream. So pretty cool stuff. I like this. So they have what opportunities do you have? Passive income, task completion, which is basically free money. Passive income, you already start with getting free money by just receiving the 011, which is something I really like, by the way. And of course, you have the referral program, by the way. So my link will be in the description. You'll be supporting a small creator like mine at no extra cost on your end. So really appreciate everyone who's watching my video. If you do like my videos, this is just one way to show appreciation, etc. And please do, by the way, let me know down in the comments below, what do you think of Ton Network as well? Should I make more videos of it? Should I make more videos of base chain, etc, etc? I want to hear your thoughts as well. It does help the YouTube algorithm as well, pushes my videos to people who are very new to crypto as well. I mean, we're in exciting times, just at the brink of the rally up for the altcoin season. Anyways, platform advantages. HamsterBank is focused on building a large dynamic community of users from around the world. The platform is built on principles of transparency and security, ensuring reliable operations and a long-term experience for every participant. In the future, HamsterBank plans to integrate with other blockchain applications, which will expand the opportunities for managing virtual assets. This will allow users to further optimize their strategies by leveraging new tools and features. So pretty cool stuff. They leave the information here. Obviously, you can click on all of that in the description. You don't need to do that. Now, in terms of how did I actually set this all up, how did I get Ton, how did I transfer it here? Now, if you do want to boost it, you have to click on this. For example, let's say if you want to boost 10, you'd have to click on add, and then it gives you kind of like this address, etc. But once you go back, obviously before this, you have to create a wallet. Now, a wallet that I've done my research that is super trustable is the Ton Keeper. You can double check this. They also have a Twitter that I've seen that other mutuals are following them as well. So Ton Keeper is one of the top ones, I would say, in my opinion, guys. It's pretty simple. It's literally like MetaMask, even simpler, right? Because it's not really EVM compatible. It's a solo wallet just for Telegram, Ton Network. I mean, yeah, it's pretty cool. It's open source as well, so you can check the source code. You'll know that it's clean code as well. I really like that. And you can get it different ways, either on your in Telegram. That's something I didn't know. You can get it as an app on your iOS or Android, or you can get it as a browser extension on Edge, Firefox, Chrome, Brave, etc. I don't know what's this one, but yeah, it's pretty easy to use. I really like this, so that's what I suggest. Now, in terms of bridging over, let's say you want to come from BNB, you want to go to Ton. I have exactly the tool for you. Now, I've been using this, changenow.io, link in the description. It's my #1 bridge. Gets your funds bridged within minutes. We're literally talking 1 to 2 minutes. I really like this. I use it on a weekly basis. You can basically go from any Solana to Ton, you name it, anywhere else, and vice versa. You can flip that around. You can go to Pulsechain with this. You can go to Ethereum. I really like this. Change Now is the one to go as well. So yeah, it's pretty simple actually to get onboarded on here. Do understand? If you need anything, join my Telegram. Okay, be part of the community, guys. Be part of the conversation. Don't be left alone. You know what I mean? At times where looking at the chart is not really the best thing to do, such as this. You know what I mean? Looking at that. This is why, by the way, when things go down, I'm looking at passive income solutions, because even when Bitcoin is going down and underperforming, same thing with Ethereum, I'm still making my 3.33% daily. Same thing with Mint Stake Share project, okay, that I've covered a few days ago. I'm still making my passive income. And obviously, this is how you start. You make multiple funnels of passive income, even if it's $1 per day, guys. Even just $1 per day. Slowly but surely, with compound interest as well, delaying your gratification. Yeah, it's pretty cool stuff. Do you know what I mean? So I'm going to end the video there, guys. I want to hear your thoughts. This is basically HamsterBank. You know what I mean? Do you want to be my friend? So I don't know. And then doing your checks as well. You can get your NOT tokens. You never know. You know what I mean? This could go to from back to all-time highs is a 3x. Can it go to you know, I don't know, $1 if that's even within its vision? I really don't have enough information about Notcoin, so I actually don't know. But that's pretty thick liquidity. I actually really like that. Let's see what other pairs are there. You can see, okay, yeah, they're not bad. Yeah, this is a legit token. Kind of reminds you of INC on Pulsechain. But guys, I'm gonna end the video there. Do join and follow me on my Twitter. Of course, if you're new to my channel, give my channel a subscribe with notifications bell up, because tomorrow I have a banger video that you don't want to miss on Ethereum, the land of whales. Okay, it's a project that could be also life-changing in terms of passive income. I might make a video update about HamsterBank to see how I'm doing with my delaying gratification with compounding, you know, with the 7th wonder of the world. So let me know what you think. I'm gonna end the video there, and take care, everyone. Give this video a like and share it with your crypto bros. Bye bye. Take care.